Last time on Betting on Bates. We had a blast. Took Nikki's mom out for a surprise birthday. She didn't even know what was coming. As you can see, it was trouble getting her there. But we had fun all in all. I want you guys to enjoy the vlog. We're going to give you a little sneak peek. And then go ahead and trim back and go watch that vlog. It was amazing, amazing, amazing. We had a great time. And if you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications because it's about to get lit. Let's go.
Happy birthday to ya. Oh,
I just want to take the time to commemorate the lifetime it's been with my baby, this boo, man. I'm telling you, if you want a Malibu, the Malibu is where it's at, for real. This thing has been a beautiful addition to our lives for the last 3 years, but it's time to go to something bigger and better. Let's go. What's going on with your lip?
She look like the little. Yeah, what happened with your lips?
That's what I said. Put this on your lips. You been licking your lips? Put that on your lips. Your lip looks swollen. Pull it. You ain't never put that on? No, it doesn't go like that. Put it on.
Put it on your lips.
Just put it on, baby. Structure. Yeah, excited?
When he was saying that about the other dude?
Hmm?
He didn't finish. When he was saying about the other dude?
No, he said he wants to meet him.
He must be. Oh, that's why I meant to ask him too. Do I need to pay the last car notes?
Mommy. You excited?
Huh?
You excited?
Yeah. I'll be more excited when I
Huh?
I'll be more excited once we start signing some paperwork.
Right. Hold on.
I ain't got the wallet out.
I don't know.
Oh, you guys did first.
You got a charger pad up here. Got the dial right here. Crazy screen. That's ridiculous. Good. Let's go.
Got the approval, came back.
Let's go.
So it came back
Okay, that's good.
cool.
Okay,
Yeah,
that's
that's
cool.
It
cool.
was with 10, right?
Yeah. Huh?
Yeah, I got you. Do we agree to sign you guys up with 10?
Yeah, but that's fine. I mean, I gotta pay for it. Yeah.
For sure.
Let's go. You excited?
Congratulations.
Thank you.
My finance manager, Dylan.
Okay.
He's gonna be out in a second.
Okay.
To take you guys in here for signing. What I'm finna do, I'm about to get the car gassed up and cleaned up.
Okay.
Okay.
There's an app I need one of you guys to download, whoever's gonna be like the primary driver.
You want me to get it for now?
Yeah, go ahead and get it.
From the app, you can like, you're gonna be able to like start the car from your phone. You
Okay.
can start the AC, the seats as well, like
Okay.
the seats as
Okay.
well. It tells you how much gas is in the car.
And all of
different
that.
things like that.
Okay. Cool. Then.
And y'all, this my boy Rod. He been with us through the whole process. If y'all need somebody in the Houston area to make your dreams come true, I'm telling you, this is your guy.
Hey,
This is your guy right here. You know what I'm saying? Like,
I appreciate that, bro.
online, you will see the reviews. This is the man, the myth,
Yeah.
the legend. Like, the reviews is off
got
the
so
chain.
many
I don't know if you know.
You haven't checked those?
I see them every now and then.
Nah, they
Well,
crazy.
you about to have another one too, because we're gonna go
For
put
real,
another
for
one too.
real. Yeah. This
Okay,
is
so which one is it?
It's gonna be Kia Access at the top. Yes, ma'am. So it's gonna have you create an account.
Okay.
You can create it with either your email or your phone number.
Okay.
Girl, your gums are moving differently to move out the way for new teeth.
I know them top was about to.
Yeah.
You just don't know.
Oh man.
Oh man. Let me see. Smile.
Don't mess with them.
Oh yeah, they coming.
Don't mess with them.
Yeah.
Them the ones right there.
Yeah, for real, for real.
And
These are permanent ones.
I got one that was growing in. I was like 7. I was meddling with it, and to this day, it's still the only
Really?
It's like this.
Because you was messing with it.
Messing with
You
it,
hear
it's going
him?
in. I
So
was
don't push it with your tongue.
Yeah, leave it alone.
Yeah.
Look, she
Yeah. You been pushing it? Don't push it. You can mess your teeth up. His tooth is turned now because he pushed it with his tongue. Let it grow in regular. Okay?
Okay.
Don't be scared now.
What is it?
$6.95.
190, 200 more. No, sure.
Hey guys, just a quick disclaimer. We do these videos for motivational purposes only. Like, this is something that's crazy to us because we actually weren't looking for a new vehicle. We weren't even in the market for it. This is something that God did for us. And a lot of people nowadays don't believe in God, don't believe in His grace and His goodness and His mercy. And how He just wants to bless you sometime. God had a plan and a purpose for us. But we had to go through different trials and stuff and persevere through those trials in silence for us to receive the blessing that God wanted us to actually have. So this is just motivation to someone who doesn't believe that one day they can be in their dream car. This is something, I remember dreaming about cars that weren't as nice as this car that we're actually currently in. So it's super duper dope. So we wanted to do this for you guys to show you guys that you can do it. Keep grinding, keep hustling, keep pushing. Don't let nobody tell you can't, because God got you. God got your back. And the road wasn't a straight line. We actually waited for this car. We had a Toyota Camry, a 2022 Toyota Camry that we had from the shop because our car had got hit. It's a whole lot, but a lot of times when you're going through things, you got to learn how to go through these things with God and with God only. And then people will see the blessing at the end of the road. And this was something that we wanted to show you guys so that we can keep you guys motivated and keep pushing. Guys, I just pray that you guys support us. We love you guys and we thank you, man. And hey, just stick with us. We about to go crazy. Let's get it. Oh yeah, one more thing. This isn't our first car. I actually had multiple cars when I was growing up. Nikki had multiple cars, but this is our first car together. Like, we're both signing papers on this car. Not only that, this is the first car that we actually got to go in and tell them what we want. Tell them what make, what model, what type of seats we wanted, what type of trim we wanted. We got to pick everything. And then we waited for delivery. So it was 2 weeks, not 2 weeks, it was like a week and a half leading up to us like waiting to get the car and everything. So I thought that was super duper dope. Like, I've never actually had that luxury experience of taking delivery, which was super duper dope, so I wanted to invite you guys in. So yeah, let me get back to the video. Let's go. here. Come on.
Oh, we talking about your basketball. We gotta get the her car seat too.
Oh yeah, her car seat.
She's still in here.
Congratulations, guys.
Thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
Rod.
Ryan.
Thank you guys. You guys deserve it for sure.
Thank you, sir.
Absolutely.
Yes, sir.
Good thing.
You deserve
I'm
it.
telling y'all, if y'all need a car and you in the Houston area, hit this man up. Yeah.
2 pounds. But yeah, I have already I set up like you guys have like user profiles inside the car.
Oh wow.
Cole has a profile. You have a profile in there as well.
Does the profile have memory seats attached to the profile, or is that just a memory seats feature?
It's a memory seat feature.
Okay, okay.
But if it had memory seats, the memory seats would be according to the profile.
Okay, okay. I see what you mean. Okay. Ooh,
You ready? Yeah.
Yeah.
You can take a picture. You take a picture with him first and then
Yeah.
you want me to do it with this or you want me to do it with my phone?
You do it with your phone. You do it with your
Okay.
phone.
You gonna take a picture too?
Take a picture of Rock. Pop in.
Let's switch out. Say cheese, Titi.
Which one? You wanna
Do
take,
me.
You wanna take a picture?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah,
Excited, excited.
Yeah.
Super excited. Hey.
Oh.
Oh, the car seat.
let me grab the keys.
Okay.
I need to get the oh, just unlock. Baby, we got a new car, y'all.
Learn how to open it. Oh, y'all see it? Oh, look at the lights, TT.
I need to get the easy tag thingy. I gotta take that out.
Oh yeah.
You know.
Huh? This is for the stuff I.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, this is ours. So much
I like the
better. Yeah, we about to hit y'all with the meanest car review. Let's go.
They gave me nice. I was like.
It was a good time for